All right, so what I'm trying to do now is upgrade the SD card in my front windshield dash cam from the 16 gig that it came with to SanDisk 128 gig. So just to show you, this is the SanDisk 128 gig. I don't know if the camera will focus, but that's what it is. Now, when I took the SD card out of the package and put it in the camera, nothing would happen. It wouldn't turn on, nothing. So what I had to do was go to my computer, delete the partition that was there from SanDisk, and then reformat it as exFAT. It was already exFAT, but it had two partitions, and I don't think the primary partition was the right one. So I went to my Windows computer, deleted both of the partitions, and then reformatted it with one partition that was exFAT using the whole drive space. So I'm gonna put it in the camera now. You can't see, oh, that's upside down. I'm gonna put it in the camera, and then we'll see what happens. I would show you, but my DJI Pocket 3 goes crazy when I try to do more than sit it in one place. So I'll turn the camera around so you could at least see. I'll just have to use my phone as a light. So as you can see, I put the new SD card inside of the Escort M2, so it's up there. Now I'm gonna turn on my ignition, and let's see if it answers. All right, so it turned on this time.
Please format micro SD card.
All right, this is good. This is good news because,
Please format micro SD card.
okay, I heard you the first time. So yeah, earlier when I was doing,
micro SD card.
all right, this is annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to format it.
Micro SD card.
But earlier when I was trying this, it wasn't working. It was like,
micro SD card.
oh my God, I gotta do this. I can't even get through talking. So we're gonna
Format
go.
micro SD card.
We're gonna go to the Drive Smarter app.
Please format micro.
Thank you, Jesus Christ. So
Please format micro SD card.
yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and format that. How do I do this?
Please format micro SD card.
So if you go to the app, you hit the
Please
gear.
format micro SD card.
There's at the bottom says
Micro
SD card format. All right, SD card is formatted successfully. So now I got my new 128 gig SD card in there. Let's see. All right, boom. As you can see, it says, what does that say? 0.1 gigabytes of 119 gigabytes. So now I can store more video. And yeah, all right. So my new SD card is up and running. So yes, you can update your SD card, but the max size is 128 gigabytes. Know that. Don't try to go bigger. It's not going to work. All right. And more than likely, your SD card is not going to work out of the box. You probably have to hook it up to a computer and reformat it so that it's the primary partition and there's only one volume. All right. I hope that helps.